Panama City Beach is hoping to improve the quality of water in one of the area's best natural assets. Consulting Engineering began field work today around Lullwater Lake. As News 13's Riley Lehman tells us, the work involves collecting sediment samples and examining fish.
Teams from Gemini Engineering and Sciences will be kayaking across Lullwater Lake this week to assess its ecosystem and health. Panama City Beach received a $3 million grant from the Department of Environmental Protection to conduct the study. The goal is to create a better environment for the fish and animals in the lakes.
When we check the water quality, we want to make sure that we're not harming any kind of species in the water, the fish or any kind of crabs or things that live in the muck or the sand itself.
Monday, the engineers collected sediment samples from the lake bottom. Tuesday, they'll be examining fish using a technique known as electrofishing. They give the fish a mild shock through a boom that's placed in the water. Electrofishing temporarily stuns the fish with an electrical current, causing the fish to float to the surface and allowing them to track the fish population. The boom only reaches fish that are within 5 feet of the boat. City Manager Drew Whitman says electrofishing does not harm the fish.
They've been using this since the 1920s. Like I said, the gentleman doing it, he's been doing it for 30 years and he's never lost anything that came to the top.
The fish are measured, examined for any health problems, then returned to the water. The process allows researchers to track fish population density, species diversity, and the ecological health of the lake. In Panama City Beach, Riley Lehman, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
This is just one part of the study. All of the research is completed. Once that happens, then the engineers will determine the extent of cleanup that's going to be necessary. If cleaning the muck out of the lake is one of those necessities, then the city will have to get permits from the DEP and the Army Corps of Engineers. Then a design phase will have to take place, and then the work will take place. All of that could take about an estimated 3 years.